Hey, good morning, everybody. Today is close to the 4th of July. Today's the 29th, June 29th. It's 7:30 this morning. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, like the video. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. It doesn't matter. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to learn more about. But we're going to dive into this. I'm going to have to get going. I'm gonna put my glasses on. Some guy told me yesterday that he likes the other guy. I was like, why? That does the training. He said because he looks smarter because he's got glasses on. But I'm gonna go ahead and do this and see if I can't read the charts. I don't wear glasses, so he's just gonna have to watch the other guy because he wears glasses. So, anyways, back to what we were doing yesterday. This one has went way up, has not hit my stop loss. I am actually making $470. My stop loss I'm sorry, my take profit is right there. So if all comes pushed together, I should make a good $1,000 or more off that trade. So that started yesterday, so right now I'm $470. My goal is $100 a day. So and then I'm gonna tell you, a lot of people says that they want to make $1,000 a day, $1 million a day. That's fine. If you have that kind of money in the account to build that kind of money, then yes. If not, then you'll lose it all. Don't come in this and think you're going to be a millionaire. You may be a millionaire in 10 weeks. I've got 10 weeks, 10 years. But don't come in the concept that you're going to get this much. My goal is $100. If I make $100, I keep going. If I lose $100, I quit. That for that day, and then I try to make it up. But usually I keep a record. But like if I make $1,000 off this trade, that's $200 per day. It's 5 days a week. You can actually do this 7 days a week if you like. But and that's just going into cryptocurrency. So just off the Forex market, if I make $1,000 this week, they give me $200. So next week I know I don't even make a trade next week if I don't want to, or I got $100 in there per day. I can do it. So if I lose the $100, I can still keep. To my eyes, I can still keep trading. But if I make $100, that means I'm still $200 up. After that, I cash out, pay myself, and then we go from there. I'm probably gonna move it up now because I made over $100 all year, every day. So that goes just to go. But I'll probably move it up $200, $300, $400 a day, and that'd be my goal set. And try to move yourself up. To do that, so you can actually do it. And once you get up to, you make $500 a day, get up to $1,000 a day. And once you get up $1,000 a day, keep going. I mean, that's just your goal, and set your time frame to do it. And then, because I know some people makes $2,000 a day. Some make more than that. Or set yourself up and we'll get 5 trades that out of those 5 trades you make $200 a day. You lose on some of the trades, you'll gain on the other ones, but you make $200 a day. $200 a day times 5, that's $1,000 a week for a couple hours a day doing this, and then you're off. I don't do this all day long. I'll check the charts as I go, but that's your goal. Set yourself a goal. Don't throw $1,000 in here and expect to make $1,000 a day. You may not. Just don't get your goal. And some ask me how you feel like the AI robots. I don't care for them. Just for the fact that I haven't seen no promising thing out of them. You may be doing it. I just never seen it promising. This has not hit yet. It's probably gonna go. Maybe today, maybe hit it. So this is another one we was talking about yesterday. So we'll see it and take off. Hopefully, going to take profit. This one we talked about yesterday. This I seen this morning. So here's the first pattern. I drew my pitchfork. Here's the second pattern. But look here, this gives you two indicators to get in. Put that right on the tip of that. Show you. I'll grab my pitchfork and move it. See how that's touching that pitchfork line? That's one indicator. This symbol is another indicator. So you know which one to get. So I'll probably go ahead and get in it as soon as the next candle forms and ride it up. So, but that's two indicators saying this pattern may be forming. So after it starts forming, after it starts doing what it says it's going to do, we'll get out and take profit up here so far. Now you take a first target here. I'll take mine at BT and 618. That'd be mine. Now you can ride it all the way up to 100, be the third one. Some do, some don't. I take mine at 50 and 618. So I'll get in probably twice. All I do is just buy in it twice. So that would be your target areas. Take profit. Now we got 30 more minutes. If that other candle form starts going up, then we're going to get it. So I'll probably put it back right in there to put in a buy limit or my buy stop. And I got one more. This one. Move that down if you like. Sometimes it goes out, but regardless of it, I think this is what they call a fake breakout. Meaning it's just going to come back up and go back inside. So that one I'm just going to keep watching and get into it. So other than that, we checked the news yesterday, so you know what news is going on today. So other than that, I'm going to get off here. I hope everybody has a happy trading. Watch the video over and over to get into these ones that's doing really well. If you haven't got into this one, I would not get into it. It's going to, well, you probably get into it, but you're not going to make a lot of money. It's going to keep going up. This one is still pending. This is AUD USD. This is Europe and US. This is the #1 trade stock that is in the cryptocurrency Forex market. It moves very, very fast. That one I would just keep my eye on. Don't have anything Bitcoin. Bitcoin seeing a little motivation, but this could be just as pullback. So here it goes down. Going down. Pullback. Coming down. Pullback. And then continue back down. That looks like Mark's got a pattern for me. I have to check that and see if it is. If you want to know about the patterns, go to, I'll leave the website in the description of what makes this a pattern. Go to the website. Whoops. It's not finished. The website is actually looks horrible. I've tried to finish it, but this website. You go to that, it tells you how to measure these and what's the ratio. If it is going to become a pattern, it will tell you which one to look for, or how to measure it, how to come out, so you can actually get the measurements, how far it can go down to still form a measurement. In some patterns, this goes above this, it's already flawed. This, if it goes below this, it's flawed. So it just depends. So right now, I don't have time to measure it really, because I got it. I got to take a shower and everything to be gone by 8 o'clock, so I got 22 minutes exactly. So I'm gonna mark it. I'm gonna come back to it later. We still got a couple while before the pattern forms. But if you can do, it's called the wolf. If you can take the wolf wave, and it would form this pattern, and it actually would tell you exactly where this D is going to hit, exactly. And you can write it up, or you can write it down, but it forms to the wolf pattern. It's very accurate, very good trade technique. But I'll go into that later, because it does take probably a good, I've started I think before and I quit, but it's going to take a good 2 hours probably to learn it, and this technique behind it, and learn it really good. So other than that, I'm gonna get off here, and y'all have a good way. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, like my video, do whatever, ask questions in the comments, and we'll go.